Bobrisky mocked after flaunting his gigantic bum bum. Comedian Mr. Jollof called out women who'd leave their marriages. Noella Carr Kosi Kasala ooo. Hello my correct people, them wanna welcome back to my channel. If you're new, wanna welcome, if you're wanna super duper welcome. Alright, I beg you just help me check below when I see the subscribe buttons. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so my correct people, them now wow. Hi, Noella don't buy car. May they allow her drink water keep cup now. May they allow her drink water keep cup now. Waiting they happen to the pa. Waiting they happen no. Correct people them now still this Noella motor matter oh now I don't drag in my leg come out to you. Alright, so my correct people now say make a yarn you now. I cross leg first. That's what I turn back pass. Now say my yarn now my correct people them. Say that motor now don't cause biggie. Okay, how it is start. Nollywood actress when they call and say Uche Elendo. Go congratulate Tchidi ex-wife will be Sophia because of say she just born. Like she posted it, she said maybe she wish her well, then she go still pray for them. She go still pray for them. Make I read them for now. So after she come back.
Alright, so she say I need just 200 people to welcome my baby into the world and tap God's blessing for me, especially the people seeking for the fruit of the womb and believing God for marriage. It's a bouncing baby girl. I just can't stop staring at her. Come put I love my baby. Alright, we'll watch the video.
Oh, look at my baby. Oh my God, look at her face. Hello, cutie. I love you.
Right? So what do you guys have to say to her? Welcome. Say something to her. Welcome.
Oh.
What do you have to say to her?
We can't hear you.
This is the most precious
Yeah.
human being that you ever seen in your life, right?
Yes, she is.
You're gonna love her and adore her like your own. Yes. Wow.
Alright, so now to that level where she says she want make 200 people, appreciate her baby. Then Uche can decide to join the 200 people. Can say congratulations, darling. She's so beautiful. Can put love emoji. Nine personal. Can come out and say, you are here already. Congratulating Sophia. It was Noella. You. Was Noella you congratulated Biko? Where do you actually belong? Now Chelendo come blast her. Come say you are indeed a foolish being. I don't understand. Do I look to you like a referee? Please. I don't belong to any cult. Sophia is my friend and Noella is not my enemy. Just stop this crap. Right now, I can't congratulate a colleague for an enviable gift. Are you alright? Shh. Then Sophia can say, I don't make anyone my enemy.
Uche congratulating anyone is not bad, my dear. We are too mature, civilized for that.
Atuche Lendo Agro, calm down because we understand ourselves and we understand our friendship. You can't make anyone your enemy for what? Because you have a right to congratulate anyone over and over again. Waiting self for this life where God don't over bless us.
Alright, so see the Instagram post where cause Kasala here.
Where as Noella posts her car, she can say God's specialty. Nain Uche Lendo can say congratulations sis, many more blessings. Can put love emoji. Nain made that girl can they call and at you. Say she be two-faced knife. I've been waiting.
Okay, so because I say one person they quarrel, your friend they quarrel with person, you go join her. You see some people they behave. Since they like that, so now within my own, I'll go to inherit people enemies. Me, I they live my own life for. I don't want enemy. I don't want anything. Then the one where people don't go make for themselves. I mean, whether they don't make for themselves or anyhow, she like that. No, ma go inherit them. No, it don't make sense. So Uche, just continue living your life. Make that one not even bother you, because anywhere when I carry this matter go, now you will still win the case. And the level with that. Uche said if you go her page, you hardly see pictures. And so she will post this one, they wish this one, wish this one, wish this one, wish this one, wish this one. And she's always wishing people well. That's why Baba God they bless her. On top this very mattress, Mr. Jollof, you comment when they call and say Mr. Jollof don't still come again with him. Oh no, when they talk, say women know they can stay for marriage again. Say prick the hungry them outside, boo turn this one, I don't know. Now yesterday night do that video, but then I say see Noella Caposo. Now I can't get the inspiration or can't do video. They talk. Mostly now. Condemnation of women, let me just they condemn.
Many of all these modern women, they don't want their ass again. That is the gospel truth. Many don't want their ass again. They want you to use mental health to come up from marriage. They don't born 1 or 2 children. They okay with the baby mama level. Many married women now they go doing yash now. I don't know the matter. Many married women now, so first of all, now complex issue they worry some of them. Because they still say their husband now they carry all the girls when they do yash now. They won't go do yash too. Even as you do the yash, your husband they carry the girl when the yash still beat past your yash. You like you do yash, do breast, do lip. Man won't want the ass, but the ass. Some of all these married women, as you see them now, so many of them when they there now, so you see many not even Brazil again now. Now mental health they go put for front. They put mental health for front. They want to protect their mental health. So they want you to do. So you see married woman, so married woman they go doing and showing you come Instagram call the twerk. Who you they twerk for? Now divorce be like water. Marriage now plan B for many women now. Marriage now plan B. Not even the way our parents that time they'll say, when you don't go school finish as a woman, you don't the work small, you go find man come in, don't marry, all this kind of level. Now women don't think of marriage now. Some they want just born one pikin, maybe they'll be baby mama. Now some dream not to be baby mama. They don't want to enter any man. So the way prick hungry they go test different prick and different size. Nobody say they just log themselves down, the test one prick. Some women if they're quick mind, they come up for the life. As they don't do the marriage now, the couple like say the husband is slow there. They need to protect their mental health. They don't put mental health for front. So they need to come out the marriage with the picking. They feel they blast to outside. Mental health. It's another problem now. If you look social media now, everything they see now, they read now. Mental health. My happiness. I think shut up. I shower your eye. Prick the hungry you. Prick the hungry you. You do your husband, you dey sharp mental health. You know how many mental health your mama suffer. Now put mental health for front. Mental health too.
Mom be saying mental health or no be mental health. If where you dey, you see say you know dey comfortable. Now my own stand be that. Anytime, any day, meet me, I will tell you. If you know dey comfortable for any marriages, no buy yourself there. Marriage no day for heaven, no, na here from earth 90. No buy yourself there, no buy yourself there, because last this life, we don't even know where would they go. We don't know whether would they go heaven and people they go hell. If the earth so you they show off now, come become hell for you. Then you can't go enter another hellfire for when you don't go up. Which one go? I mean hellfire, they say they down. No, anyone might correct people them. Which one go better? So my own be say anybody no by himself. If marriage work, he work. If you no work, he leave. Especially we countrymen, they know they try at all when it comes to marriage. Most of them, if not we say now too, they don't say women too, they stand getting bow. If you not do well, they work out. Most of them they feel that when they don't marry you for her. Hey, where she go again? When she go again, she go, they go laugh her. It becomes like a stigma. So women go they suffer. They do this. You know they walk now again. Now some women wear they hold like pala for their hand. Only some women say they don't get anything for hand. So we hold like pala for hand. If you do anyhow they work out. So Mr. Jollof, leave that level. So wetin your papa dey talk or wetin papa do mama? So wetin your papa do your mama? Now you want to come, you want men of nowadays they do when women were in bondage, suffering from men, suffering like say tomorrow no day. That era don't pass. I say even men said they did not support him. Even men. Make I read one or two comments. I will just select men their comments. Make I read. Make them like saying a woman they talk. Make I read them when I hear say even men say they don't support him.
Alright, the first man here say mental health is very important for both men and women. So if marriage is not working, it's okay to leave. The second man say, I beg na everything you dey blame one party, na both parties. Alright, this person say, but is it a crime for women to want to express themselves? My brother, times are changing. Get with the program. So many reactions, but might just end for these 3.
Yeah, another story where I want hear na about the Bobo is a risky.
When we enter for Bobo is a risky mattress. As in don't share video where in there for hospital as soon as no say throughout and stay for hospital. Now so it they give us updates upon update you. Yeah, no be smart, you know. My great people would know say as Bobrisky been want to do the surgery according to Amebo, say they been done talk say say 85% of his skin no go fit take am that may wait for some time, no agree. So in don push, she don't finally go do the giant nyashi. So people come dey gbege am say you no value your own life because of say you want nyash. What you want carry the nyash do? People gbege am for in comment section. Say tele Bobrisky come provocation. Come right, say keep dropping your comments and get blocked. I can't do anything to my body. It's none of your business.
Bobo is a risky say he won't go do a surgery for a blood. Now one blogger come disgraciation am, come to say na lie, say no be abroad they go. He say don't get information. Say Bobrisky no go any blood. Say na for Lekki, na in the doctor they do the surgery, but he no one reveal the doctor name or anything. Bobrisky now. People come they begin.
Upon the blog, go wait, say go blog them or they see they call an art. The first person here say love Dominican Max. The second person here say get well soon, Bob. The third person say you don't mind them, Jare. Congratulations on your brand new nyash.
Alright, this other person here can say, sister, brother, we didn't say you can't do anything to your body, but no they lie, Dominican Republic, you are doing as if we will attack you for doing it in Lagos. Another person can say, commode nose marks, may we see your beard, I come in peace. So another person say, how is Chicken Republic, I be Dominican Turkey? Another person can say, Bob, I hear say you no travel abroad or say na Lekki you do the surgery. Another person can say, Mommy, stay strong, don't mind them, Mama, the Papa. Another person can say, but Bob, I saw you yesterday in Lekki. Another person can say, no be nyash, Bobrisky, you shit like this. Sheko, what risky by ye?